Brussels sprouts are growing like crazy. What a thing to be thankful for. Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and wow, those Brussels sprouts are doing excellent, and I am thankful for those, but that's not what I wanted to talk about. I wanted to talk about my parents. I think I got some of the best parents in the world. I went to the voting booth this morning, and I got there at like 10 minutes to 7, and there was already a line outside waiting to get in. I haven't seen that many people at the voting booth, or, in my entire adult life at one time. I live in a little podunk town, but I think this election is one of the most important elections of my lifetime. I've been voting for about the last 35, 36 years or something like that, and I've never seen so many people. But on with the story. Because there were so many people there, it took me like 40 minutes to get through line and, get back home and pick up my son and take him to school and then head off to work. So my dad, when he got out of his part-time job that he has, he went and picked up my son and then came and picked up Jessica so that she could go vote, because otherwise she would have had to wait until tonight when the lines were even longer, but by the time I got home. Anyway, I just really appreciate my parents and all the things that they do. Not just that, they do things like every weekend they take my kids and hang out with them for a couple hours, just grandma and grandpa time, and the kids really love it. And we're going through certification classes right now to be foster parents, and so those classes are like 7 hours at a time or something like that, at least 6. And so they're watching them then too, because there would be no way you could concentrate and have 2 kids constantly saying, "Hey mom, hey dad, I need this, I need that," kind of thing. But they've been there for us for a lot of things and a lot of times, and I really, really appreciate it. I hope that someday I can be that good of a parent to my kids. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Leave me a comment in the comment section below. What do how are your parents? How do you relate to them? Or is there somebody that you have that's special, that is there for you, and you can be there for them too? We also have a free TubeBuddy link in the description box below. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time. Okay, everybody loves a good root shot, so look at those roots. That is some good stuff, Maynard. That plant is doing very well.